안녕하세요 선생님. 제 이름은 메데산입니다. 저는 방글라데시 사람입니다. 제 나이는 23살입니다. 제 가족은 모두 5명입니다. 아버지하고 어머니하고 누나하고 그리고 형이 있습니다. 저는 6월 동안 한국어를 배우고 있습니다. 저는 주제 레벨 2급 통과했습니다. 저는 공부를 하기 위해 한국에 가고 싶습니다. 한국에서 열심히 공부하고 제 꿈을 이루고 싶습니다. 이 연구로 자기소개를 하겠습니다. 잘 부탁드립니다. 감사합니다. Hello sir, nice to meet you. This is Mehdi Hassan and I am 23 years old. I am from Rajshahi division of Bangladesh. There are 5 members in my family. My father is abroad and my mother is a successful agro farms and she is my financial support me. So I am fully focused on my studies in Korea. My elder sister is complete degree. I have successfully completed my secondary school certificate with GPA 4.61 and higher secondary certificate with GPA 5. I have developed a strong interest in Korea by Korean movies and exploring Korean culture, and this has created deeply attraction in me to Korea. After completing my higher secondary certificate, my primary goal was to pursue higher education abroad to get global exposure. I spent my time researching top universities, preparing my documents. Konkuk University is renowned for its excellent academic curriculum, modern campus facilities, and supportive environment for international students. So, if I get the opportunity to study at Konkuk University, I will first complete the Korean language course, and after that, I want to enroll in the university, study hard for my bachelor degree, and after complete master's degree successfully. After complete my studies, I want to get work experience in Hyundai Samsung company. After complete my work experience, I want to back my country and work in a technically related to my major. I want to contribute to the development in my country. Thank you so much.